birthday to you. Make a wish. Whoa. Jessica, you will never learn how to use your ability if you're too scared to use it. The whole reason you're at this school is to learn how to control it. Now sneeze. Whoa, I'm in the future?
Howdy, human. Welcome to Robot Land.
I really wish I knew how to control this. Pardon me, but are you okay? I have this special ability that allows me to time travel, but I can't figure out how to use it, and now I'm really missing home. Well, whenever I'm missing something, I always think of the smell. Maybe try that. What does home smell like?